friends, my name is Becky Betts. I'm a senior artistic educator with PRAVANA. Today we are going to go over our new digital purple collection.
Section the hair into 6 sections, isolating the fringe and the nape area, and divide the rest into 4 quadrants. Pre-lighten the hair, taking 1/8 sections, and apply the lightening formula generously. Step 4, we're moving into the fringe section, creating a shine line. Take a thin slice from the bottom of the fringe and apply all 3 digital purple shades, applying Vivid Grape to the bottom, Vivid's Periwinkle to the middle, and apply Vivid's Smoky Violet to the top third. Take down the next slice and lay it down right over the previous one and repeat the same application. I love how the shine line makes the fringe pop. Beginning in one of the front quadrants, taking horizontal slices, applying Vivid's Grapes at the shadow, melting it into Vivid's Periwinkle, blending the meeting point thoroughly. Moving to the other front quadrants, repeat the same color melting technique, but melt Vivid's Smoky Violet into Vivid's Periwinkle.
Thank you for watching. You can find more on the digital purple collection at pravana.com. Bye!